question arises all the time. What is normal wear and tear? Who determines it? What exactly is a list of normal wear and tear? It can be vague, I'll be the first to admit it, but there are some standard guidelines that we use here at Flagship Property Management that we consider normal wear and tear at a property, not tenant neglect. A few of those things are, normal nail holes, small nail holes to hang pictures. Now, if it's got a big anchor hole in the sheetrock or a whole wall is need to be repainted due to all the nail holes, that may be different. But typical normal hanging of pictures throughout a home, we consider normal wear and tear. Minor spot painting, touch-up painting throughout in between tenants, we consider that normal wear and tear. If that painting is needing to be done due to gouges in the wall or chewing of a dog, or pet damage or something like that, that is not normal wear and tear. But just minor spot painting, if our painter goes in there and does a normal touch-up, we consider that normal wear and tear. Normal traffic patterns in your carpet. The furniture's here in the living room, they've lived here for 3 or 4 or 5 years, and you can see where they walked around the couch, over that period of time. That is normal wear and tear. They're walking on the carpet. If you got hardwood floors, LVT floors, and there's normal light scuffing of those floors from where the furniture was or where walking and things happen, believe it or not, that can most likely be considered normal wear and tear. You've got to allow them to walk on the floors. Can't change it. If your carpet is more than 5 years old, it's time to replace it. We can't charge that tenant because that carpet's 5 years old and is now worn out. If they've only been there a year, they can't be punished for the first 4 years of tenancy, be it owner-occupied or renters. Basic carpet cleaning, normal wear and tear. If my carpet cleaner vendor goes over there and there's spots he's got to pay some extra attention to, that extra attention can and will be billed back to the tenant security deposit. If our cleaning company goes over there and they do a normal cleaning, they don't have to spend any extra time or charge any extra money, that's basic cleaning. That's normal wear and tear. Okay? Worn toilet seats. Toilet seats just used. Not broken, but you can tell it's used and in need of replacement. That's normal wear and tear. If the toilet seat's broken, that is tenant neglect. We can charge that back to the tenant security deposit. Rekeying the locks or replacement of worn out door locks or deadbolts. That's normal wear and tear and liability. We always like to rekey between tenants so that we know that no one else has a key to you don't know if a neighbor has a key, an old family member has a key, etc. We've got new keys. The new tenants get new keys. Liability is off the table there. Okay. Blind replacement. If the blinds have been up 2, 3, 4 years and the sun has been beating down on them and they're yellowed due to the sun discoloring, we can't charge the tenant for that. Okay. Now, if that discoloring or if a child has damaged the blinds, then we can charge them for that. Normal discoloring from sunlight cannot be charged back to the tenant. Caulking around bathtubs, the base of the toilets, things to just kind of freshen and update the property. Normal preventative maintenance that you want, changing out air filters, replacing 9-volt batteries between tenancy. Those are normal preventative maintenance options that we do not consider negligent. It is normal wear and tear.